What's up, guys? Will H, and today I'm going to be unboxing and demoing another one of my gadgets that I picked up. This is the RYOBI 18 volt 1 Plus string trimmer edger kit. Now, a few days ago, I unboxed the RYOBI 18 volt blower. This time, I'm going to unbox this and demo it. So, box is so long, got to kind of turn it sideways, but some of the specs: 10-inch string trimmer edger kit, lightweight string trimmer. Ideal for small yards, easily edge, easy advancement, line advancement. So in the box, you're going to get your your 2 amp lithium charger, battery, and the charger. 3-year limited warranty. And let's see what else we have on the box here. Got some of the specs. If I can get that into view. This weighs 4.7 pounds. Comes with adjustable 8 to 10 inch cutting width and 2 amp battery. And with the 2 amp battery, you're going to get about 39 units runtime, 39 minutes of runtime. Now you can pick up other batteries for this as well, the 4 amp or the 6 amp right there. And it's telling you everything else you need to know there. So I'm going to get it out of the box and we'll take a look at it. Alright guys, so we're back. This is everything that was in the box. You're going to get your paperwork, documentation here, user's manual and things like that. You get your charger, which is a little bit different charger than what was in the blower box. You get that. This is how it came out of the box. You get your guard here. And you also get your weed eater. Here's the battery. This is a 2 amp battery right here. See if it has any charge. Not very much, but you can see just how much charge you have there. The way I took it loose was just pushing these 2 buttons. Alright, so here's the handle. You guys see there. I'll show it to you a little bit better outside once I get out there and demo this. And then you just snap that together just like that. There it is. And I'll show you how to rotate to trim as well. But the guard goes on the end down here. I left a little plastic there. So you just take the guard. The guard goes there just like that. It's kind of hard to do it behind the camera, but I'll show it to you outside. Alright guys, so I have the weed eater outside. I have put the guard on. Just be mindful, there's a screw that goes right here to hold it in place. I found it taped to this part of the weed eater right here. So, and then here's the handle. So what you have to do is push in on this part and this part at the same time to make it run. You guys see right there. And if you want to edge, push in on these 2 buttons like that, 2 buttons there, and now you can edge like this. So let's go ahead and demonstrate it. Okay guys, this has been my look at the RYOBI 18 volt trimmer edger. Very lightweight, easy to use, got a nice handle right here. Pretty powerful as well for this little demo right here. I would say that another thing I like about it, the string advances on its own, so you don't have to tap it on the bottom of it like most weed trimmers and weed eaters. What I don't like, I wish the handle was a little bit longer. 5 feet 10, so I do have to lean over a little bit while I'm using it. So, but yeah, man, I'll leave a link in the description. You guys want to go pick this up? Will H. I'm out.